Hey everybody, how's it going today? We are back with a PC case. I don't know if it's a review, an overview, an unboxing, I don't know what to call it. We're just going to have a look at it. And this is the Phoneix G5. The new species of ATX 3.0 case. I don't know what that means though. But I think one of the best things to do is to get into it. It's by Segotep. Not sure how you say it. S-E-G-O-T-E-P. Picked this up on Amazon. It has a really unique way of mounting the hardware and the GPU, which we will see shortly. I haven't looked at this other than to make sure it wasn't broken. So let's dig in. Alright. Nice phone. Some stuff there. We'll throw it in there for later. Maybe I should have left that film on. Alright, here we are. It's a white case, mid-tower. I don't know if it holds an EATX. I do know it holds an ATX motherboard. Alright, so it is a ATX, micro ATX, mini ITX case. The neat thing about this one is the glass is on the left side, so you could actually have this on the left side of your desk and still be able to see your parts. We have a nice mesh front here. Looks like there's another screen in behind. But lots of airflow. Lots of airflow. On the top, two USB 3.0s, headphone and microphone jack. And we've got a cover here. Oh yeah, alright. Remember how I said this case was interesting? So here is the back of our motherboard, the back of the GPU, and power. Oh, and all your cables come out through to the back here. Power supply's in the normal spot. And this here is where you can fit your radiator. I believe it's a 240, yeah, 240 mil or two 120 fans. Well, let's go ahead and take off the back side first. So far, the build quality seeming really nice. And we have a nice catch here. Slides right in. Nice easy panel to put on and off. Alright, exposing this side of the case, we have two SSD trays here, a nice large opening for the back of the motherboard. Down here we have a 3.5-inch drive with some accessories. Let's see what we get. Nothing. Cardboard box that is empty. So we have a screen for the power supply. There is no power supply shroud. Let's go ahead and take the glass side off now, the left side of the case. Okay, it's got these three little catches here. And they just catch right in here on the front. Very simple. Very simple. It still will fall if you let go of it though, so don't let go. Alright, now our glass side. So we have the motherboard that sits there. There's an old broken motherboard here I can show you. So your motherboard's going to sit like that. It's a different kind of setup. Your AIO is up here. And then your GPU brackets are all up here. They do all twist on, or they all do screw on and off, which is great. None of that BS snap off stuff. Just to show you, let's hang a GPU up here. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you, there's no obviously any components in here, but I wanted to show you how this GPU hangs in this case. Vertically. It's different and unique. Kind of thinking outside the box on this one. So yeah, just your motherboard goes here, your RAM will be down on the bottom, your GPU hangs, and then your intake is actually in the back here, pulling the air through this way, and your exhaust is the front of the case. And then there's the top, so all your cables and everything will fall out this hole in the back. And then this cover goes on top, which is got a mesh here that looks like pretty good airflow. Snaps on top, hides all your cables. Let's go ahead and pull this front off and see if it just pops off. Alright, all I did was push on the top outwards. It came off. Lots of airflow with that. And then we have another filter here. Okay, it's magnetop. It's got two magnets on this side. Swings open, comes off. Very nice. And then we can fit three 120s here, and you can see that GPU is right there. There we have it. This, I want to say, is the Phoneix G5 case. That's not right. It's the Segotep Phoneix G5 case. And it's got a really unique way of hanging that GPU. I know I've said it a bunch in this video, but that's the main reason I bought this case. We will be putting together a full build in this case, so that video will be coming out in the next couple weeks, hopefully. If you're interested, check out some of my other PC reviews and builds, or if you're into other things, I have car videos as well, and I do stream to YouTube. So catch me online gaming, things like Valheim or Death Stranding, and a couple others. I got a whole library that I want to come out and play for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.